Rebuilding London Bridge. A teamwork team.
Falling down.
Let's build it up together.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Let's build it strong together. Call our friends from near and far. Bring your tools just as you are. Hammers, nails, and shining bars. Working now and clever. Build it high, build it wide. Side by side, side by side. When we work with joy and pride, it stands up strong forever. Wooden beams and stone so bright, placed with care, they fit just right. Teamwork makes the future bright. We finish when we're clever. Someone paints it red and gold. Someone helps the young and old. Stories shared and hands to hold, helping one another. Tap, 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 the boards go down. Click, 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 we hear the sound. Step by step, we gather round. We building something better. Tap, 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 the boards go down. Click, 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 we hear the sound. Step by step, we gather round. We're building something better. London Bridge is standing tall, standing strong for one and all. When we help, no task is small. We build a world together. Fall today because we worked in every way. Side by side we learn to say
Children gather together.
teamwork makes us stronger.
Thank you for watching our teamwork adventure.